I haven't had a full set of teeth in about 34 years. I was in a prior marriage that was a domestic violence situation, and I had been punched in the face, and I had these teeth knocked out and these teeth knocked out. I've been a dental assistant now for about 10 years, and I've never been able to afford to get the implants needed. All these years later, this is the final piece of my healing right here. Pop-on veneers. It's so affordable. It was very quick. From the time I got the impression kit till the time I sent them back, I would say that it's less than 2 weeks. And what's really cool is you can see where those missing teeth are. They made me some teeth to fill in. And if you listen, they pop right in there. Wow. Wow. That is this feeling. After 34 years and being abused and lost my smile, thank you, Pop-on Veneers. You gave it back to me.